Today, let's draw a cute green frog, Keropi, together. Step 1. Draw 2 big circles and add 2 small black dots inside. Draw a flat oval under the eyes for the head. Draw a letter V for the mouth and 2 small circles for the cheeks. At the bottom, draw 2 feet. They look like little tulips. Connect the head to the feet by drawing lines for the body. Draw 2 arms reaching out from the body. Last step, draw a pretty bow tie right under the head. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.